At Elite Builder for You, we believe that every dream home begins with a story. Welcome to Florence Road, a custom home project by Elite Builder for You. This is more than just a house. It's a dream in the making. In this series, we'll take you through the first steps of construction, from design to laying the foundation, so you can see the quality and care we bring to every project. The perfect home needs the perfect setting. Florence Road was chosen for its beautiful location and the potential to create a stunning home. Once the land was selected, we moved quickly to prepare it for construction, clearing the site, leveling the ground, and ensuring everything was ready for the next step. The foundation is the backbone of any home, and at Florence Road, we take this step seriously. Using the highest quality materials and expert techniques, we ensure this home is built to stand the test of time. Every inch of the foundation is inspected and reinforced for maximum durability. The transformation begins here. Clearing and leveling the site is an essential step, creating a clean slate for construction. Our team ensures the land is properly prepped for drainage, stability, and long-term durability. Every great home needs a strong foundation. Here, our expert team lays the groundwork for a home that will stand tall for decades to come. We focus on precision, quality materials, and structural integrity. While Florence Road is still under construction, let's take a glimpse into the future. Here's what the finished home will look like: a space designed for comfort, style, and everyday living. Imagine entertaining guests in the open-concept living room or unwinding in the master suite. Every detail is crafted with care. Florence Road is a work in progress, and we can't wait to share more with you as this beautiful home comes to life. Stay tuned for the next chapter of this journey: framing, roofing, and much more. Contact us today, and let's turn your vision into reality. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for updates on the Florence Road Project and other exciting builds.